If you're finding it difficult to stay consistent when coding, or you're finding it very hard to find any motivation to do any work, it's probably because you don't have a goal or a plan. You probably don't know what you're doing. And like the saying goes, if you don't have a destination, you'll never get there. So here's one thing you can do to fix this problem. First, think about something that would be cool to make, something that you would be interested in making. Set a goal to build that thing that you just thought of, and begin working towards that goal. You see, the more you progress towards that goal, the more you actually feel like you are making progress, and the more motivated you will get to keep going. You will be motivated to continue working on this project until you reach that goal that you set. At this point, coding becomes enjoyable because you are actively working towards something that you actually want to do rather than working towards something for the sake of getting it done, which is a big reason why a lot of people don't stay consistent and end up quitting before they see the fun in coding. Since fun is subjective, you must find a way for you to make coding enjoyable. Find whatever it is that gives you that enjoyment and capitalize on it.
Oh, for real? On God? Just like that?
You enjoy making video games? Do that. You enjoy making web apps? Do that. Don't subject yourself to the endless torture that is watching tutorials to master a language. Instead, get out there and actually work on projects that you find enjoyable. And don't just treat coding as a means to an end. Yes, you probably got into it for the money or that good paying job, but having this mindset will drain you in the long term. So remember, don't look at coding as just something you need to master for your job, but see it as a skill that you enjoy using.